Hi, my name is Bekah. Welcome to my video series, Everyday English Every Day. I'm recording outside again because it's awesome weather and I'm lucky enough to live in a tropical climate here in Costa Rica, and I like being outside. So let me know with a comment below if you prefer watching my videos when I'm inside or outside. All right. Today, I'm giving you some tips for learning and practicing English, okay? So we're talking about what you shouldn't do when practicing a language. Don't do these 5 things when learning and practicing English. So I want you to follow my tips so that you will see success. Have a growth mindset. That's the most important thing. Belief is everything. You need to make sure you're ready to grow and expand and to believe that you can grow and expand every day. For a little more, I'm going to share about the community we have at Vagaru. All right, subscribe to my channel, give my videos a like, and let's start with the first thing. Don't just speak inside your head. You need to talk aloud, right? You need to speak with people. So if you're not vocalizing, right, during your study time, if you're not having actual words come out, you need to speak aloud. If that's not happening, you're not going to be comfortable when it comes to actually talking with someone. So if you check out above, I have a guide in Canva that gives you some more tips. So I think that's a good thing because it shows you how to use my video series, and it really focuses on repetition. So when you're speaking aloud, you can repeat after people. So then you can practice both intonation and pronunciation. So let's say you're watching your favorite TV series. You hear a sentence, pause the video, and repeat after the character, right? It's great practice. When you do some of my video series and I give you phrases, repeat after me when I'm giving the list of words, of phrases. It's important, right? You need to speak, right? I used to always, when I was learning Spanish, I remember vividly walking to the pool, like a public pool that I used to go to in Florida, and I'd be talking to myself aloud as I walked to the pool in Spanish. That was my practice time, right? I probably looked pretty crazy, but you know, it was how I practiced, and I think all you need to do that too. All right, don't use boring study materials, right? Things that are boring we don't do. Practice English using materials that are interesting and engaging. Learn about things you want to learn about in English. If you're at a more basic level, it's a process, okay? So you need to get a basic vocabulary first, okay? So you need to focus on that. But you know, things need to be exciting and engaging, okay? I work at Vagaru, which is an awesome online English platform, and we have the most interesting videos that we talk about every week. It's fun because it's not only learning English, but it's personal development. I get so much out of the videos just because I'm learning new things. So be sure to find things that are engaging, right? That you love. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. This is the big one, guys. Learn from mistakes. Focus on having a growth mindset. When we have a growth mindset, we know that, you know, mistakes show us something, okay? That change is possible, right? If we make a mistake, we learn from it so we don't continue making it. So it's hard because you think, oh my God, I'm not good enough, but there's a lot of ways to overcome these fears. I have some cool videos about tapping. I'll put the links in the description. Check it out because it's a way of helping overcome some subconscious feelings that we have, right? A lot of times we're afraid of making mistakes because of past experiences. So if we can figure out where this fear comes from, it's much easier to stop it, to overcome it, okay? So really kind of digging deep and figuring out, you know, thinking, reflecting about your experience learning English, you know, will be helpful in the process. Don't practice English just once or twice a week, even if you spend like an hour or two once a week. No, make English part of your everyday life. Spending 10 minutes on English every day is a great start. It doesn't need to be a long time. It needs to be consistent. You need to decide that this is a priority. When something is important to you, you do it. I have never included stretching in my life. And right now I stretch every day because it has become so important to me. I have never been consistent with breath work in my life. Right now I am being consistent because it's important to me. if learning English is important to you, you will find the time. 10 minutes, that's all it needs to be. Think about it. Should it be in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night? What's the best time for you? So you can read books and articles in English. You can watch TV shows and movies. Keep an English notebook. You need to have a notebook so you can go back and reflect and review everything you're learning. Talk about your experiences, okay? And also add new vocabulary and review the notes. You need to go back, right? Every day, look at a couple pages from the past. Maybe Sundays are the day you review the whole thing, right? That could be your 10 minutes in English. Make mind maps to organize your thoughts and show connections. Do you know what a mind map is? I have a mind map video. I'll put the link in the description. Watch it. Mind maps are amazing. Talk with people in English. Repeat phrases and sentences aloud. Remember, it's important. You need to be speaking aloud. Use new vocabulary in your own original sentences. When I give you phrases, take those phrases and make sentences with them. Put them in the comments and I will correct them for you, okay? Listen to songs in English. Passively listen to things in English. Do you know what that means? To passively listen to things? I have a video about it too. Check it out in the description. Lots of different things for you guys to watch. When you listen passively, you're not focusing on it. You're not paying a lot of attention. It's kind of like in the background. So you don't have to worry about understanding anything. It's more of like a subconscious flow into your brain. So think about listening to things passively. Include that into your everyday routine. You'll see some good results, right? All right. Don't practice alone, right? You're not motivated sometimes when you're alone. Sometimes you can be. But community is so much better. Find a community of like-minded people to motivate and encourage you, right? Together, we are stronger, right? We can support each other. That's where Vaguru comes in. I work on this platform. It is awesome. It is about really making English part of your everyday life and enjoying it, right? Living an active lifestyle with community and learning new things and sharing new things every day. We have webinars, which are conversation classes, basically, right? We talk about all different topics and we really support each other and build relationships and friendships. And it's beautiful, right? Learners ask about each other if they haven't seen each other for a while. They check up on each other. They find learning buddies to motivate and practice together. Check it out. You can get a free trial for 14 days. If you have any questions, message me, send me an email, okay? And I can answer anything you need about Vaguru. So be sure to give my video a like and subscribe to my channel. New videos are posted on Mondays and Wednesdays. Comment below, ask me questions. I'm here to help. You can also email me, okay? All right, guys, I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Keep learning, keep growing, keep expanding. I will see you all soon. Bye-bye.